Hello investors and traders, today I'll speak about Albemarle Stock Analysis. It's a lithium company. We'll check it fundamental and technical analysis, and of course it's a nice and one of the best investment ideas for the future months, Albemarle stock. So this idea came to my head, of course, after the importance of lithium, the green transition to carbon-free world, with transport responsible for more than a quarter of the world's CO2 emissions. The number of EV on the road must increase dramatically, powered by lithium batteries. And of course, the Albemarle is the main world lithium producer, and that's why, of course, it can be a very nice investment idea for the future quarters. So let's have a look on the fundamental parameters of this company. So market cap $24 billion. Also this company paying dividends about 1%, and this company engages in development, manufacture and marketing of chemicals for consumer electronics, petroleum refineries, utilities, packaging, construction, transportation, food safety, and of course etc. etc. If we look on its PS ratio, now it's less than 3, so actually it's a very low valuation. Look, its net income, net profit margin dramatically increased last year, but also here, look, its net profit margin for many years it was above 20, so it's quite nice. The EBITDA margin is now 38%, so it's quite impressive marginality. If you look at the revenue breakdown, we see that the lithium segment gives about 70% to its company, and most of its revenue the company earns in China, and 22% the company earns in South Korea. Also, we can see that Albemarle Corp paying dividends. By the way, it increased its dividend per share for at least last 5 years. The payout ratio only 5%, so here it's very low. So I think it's nice potential for this company even to increase its dividend payments. If we look at the chart, so here I think it was clear an impulse, this segment, since the pandemic lows, the first wave, the second, the third, the fourth and the fifth. By the way, here the third wave usually the largest wave in the impulse, so here it looks very organic. Here it can be the correctional wave reflected in ABC move. And here I think it can be finished. So now I'm expecting to see the third wave. As I told previously, the third wave is usually the largest wave in the impulse. So here the growth potential, actually we can check the growth potential with you, usually using the Fibonacci levels. So here the 3-wave target is 547,000. So in this case, I can tell you that from the current level we can see upside potential about 100%, and for me it's quite impressive. By the way, don't forget the company continue to pay dividends, so it can be quite nice. Let's have a look on the fundamental parameters of this company. The total score is 87%, quite total parameter. We can see that the financial stability, debt to EBITDA ratio less than 1, the interest coverage 26, so any problems with debt paying. By the way, the ultimate score is 3.7, if it's higher than 2, it's very good figure. The marginality, as I told you, the gross margin 44, net margin 41, so very highly marginally company. Also, why I'm interested in this company, please pay attention the growth rate, the revenue, the EBITDA and EPS, earning per share, is more than 20%, and the expectations for the future years. The EPS expected to grow 20%, and the revenue also expected to grow about 20% in the 3 next years. The valuation now, as for me, it's very cheap. The PE is 6, NPS less than 3. So of course I think the valuation as for me is very cheap for now. So generally speaking, Albemarle stock pays a dividend yield about 1%. The momentum, the RSI indicator is now 45 on a weekly time frame, and it can be nice time to buy the stock. By the way, now from its high levels, the stock already down more than 30%, so we have a discount for its stock price. And all this topic with the green transition, with using lithium in the EV batteries, for me, of course, it's very attractive. So I'm paying attention to this stock. Also, for example, pay attention to the PS ratio, price per revenue. Now it's less than 3. Here, for example, old 21, 22, it was about 8, 9, 5. So here also its valuation, as for me, it's very cheap. So generally speaking, Albemarle company, it can be a nice player, a significant player in the in the future years in the green transition. It's continue to increase its dividend payments. So for me, of course, it's attractive investment idea. So if you like this video, of course, press the like button, subscribe to my channel. In the future weeks, I will give another interesting and attractive investment ideas. And of course, see you on the next time. Bye.